Nag-brand.
Hold up.
What's up mga kazaging? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl, Kim Saji. At for today's video, magkakaroon na naman tayo ng another makeup tutorial. Pero ang makeup tutorial natin for today is Halloween edition. Since magno-November na, mag-start na ako gumawa ng makeup tutorial Halloween edition. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang mga gagawin ko lang sa month ng November is puro makeup tutorial pero puro Halloween. Yan. So, ngayon, ang first attempt na gagawin ko. First attempt dahil hindi ko sure kung magagawa ko ba ito ng tama. First time din siya sa akin. So, gagawa ako ng snake makeup look. So, sana ma-achieve ko siya. Hindi ko sure talaga. Kasi hanggang ngayon, iniisip ko pa rin kung anong look ang gagawin ko. So, yun. Good luck sa akin. At huwag kayo masyado mag-expect dahil hindi ako magaling sa pagkagaya. So, yan. Let's start! At ayun, syempre, primer muna tayo bago mag-start.
Some girls feel best in a tiny dress.
Next is gagamit na tayo ng aking Fit Me Foundation.
Princess, some girls kiss their lips every single night. They're staying out late cause they just celebrating life. You know some days you feel so good in your own skin, but
Next is gagamit na tayo ng brow soap.
cause you look greatest when you feel like a damn queen.
At ayun, inahit ko muna yung mga kalat-kalat na kilay ko para maganda yung pag-eyebrow ko later.
Beautiful. Most girls work hard, go far, we are unstoppable. Most girls are fight to make every day. Not you are the same. I wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like most girls.
Next is gagamit naman tayo ng aking color board palette.
Some girls like to keep their physique real private. Some girls wear jeans so tight cause it feels so right, yeah. Some girls everyday search and keep the page turning, sleeping up late cause they just celebrating life. You know some days you feel so good in your own skin.
Next is gagamit tayo ng hairnet para sa scale na gagawin ko. So, yan.
And you feel like a damn queen.
At ayun, gumamit muna ako ng highlighter para mas maganda yung lapat mamaya ng ibang color.
And strong and beautiful. Most girls work hard, go far, we are unstoppable. Most girls are fight to make every day. Not you are the same. I wanna be like most girls. I wanna
At ayun, i-blend din natin siya para maganda mamaya pag pinatungan natin siya ng ibang color, hindi siya masyadong halata.
most girls, yeah. Most girls wanna be
At ayun, gagamitin ulit natin ang aking color board palette.
not you are the same. I wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like most girls.
At ayan, nag-umpisa na rin ako gumawa ng snake scale. Yan. Sana maging maayos.
Girls. I wanna be like
At ayun, i-blend din natin siya para maganda siya. Hindi siya masyadong kalat pag pinagpawisan. Gumamit ako ng concealer para mag-color talaga yung ilalagay kong eyeshadow dahil nga wala akong color na ganyan na lipstick. So, eyeshadow na lang ulit yung ginamit ko. At ayun, next ko na naman na ilalagay is yung liquid eyeliner. So, yan.